Hey guys, so it's 2 days na lang ng event namin and we're currently preparing. I'm arranging the clothes that I'm gonna be selling on Made Vintage Club pop-up, and Blaine is making the design for our packaging and piniprint niya na din. Ayan. So, ganito kakalat currently yung situation namin. Nagtatags ako ng mga clothes and ipapack na namin sa car dahil titignan namin kung kasya yung mga items. So yeah, 2 days to go for the pop-up. Voice over day here. So this is us preparing for the flea market. By the way guys, this is not our first ever flea market. Our first ever is on GG Trip, and this is already posted on the YouTube account. You can check it out. And these are the printed packaging that Blaine was working on. And also this, ito yung parang isasabit namin sa rack para makita yung logo namin. And ayan, as you can see, halfway pa lang kami. Napakadami pa rin kalat and we have a lot to do pa. So this is our situation now. In-arrange namin yung mga damit para pag nandun na kami sa event, alam namin yung arrangement niya and hindi kami mapasobra ng dala. So yan, ganyan pala yung arrangement. Sobrang kalat na ng kwarto. Ari ko. Hopefully matapos namin today kasi 2 days na lang. And tomorrow nasa school pa ako kaya hindi ako makaka-help ng pag-pack. So yeah. So 2 days later, it's already the day, and ayan, as you can see, this is around 6 AM and pinapack namin yung mga dadalhin namin gamit. And as you can see, onti lang yung dala namin because the boot that we purchased is a small boot lang. It is size 3 by 3 feet, so tinansya lang namin, ito lang yung cash. Hey guys, so it's the day and sobrang paus ko na and sobrang pagod na. It's already 6:42. Oh my god, 6:42 na agad. Dapat nandun na kami ng mga 8. And papunta pa lang kami. Nasa 7-Eleven pa si Blaine. Nabili siya ng snacks. Kaya na pala. Malilate na tayo. 6:43 na. Oh my god, pati yung record. Oo. Yung record ako. So, we're gonna head out na to Salt sa Makati and see you on the event. So, tapos na ako mag-makeup. Sobrang paus pa rin ng... Nandito kami ngayon sa McDo Driveway. Order kami ng breakfast kasi kumain na kami ng itlog at kanin kanina kasi sobrang nagmamadali ka. Order kami ng siguro mix and match tsaka isang coffee. Sobrang nakakapagod. Aga-aga pa. It's just 6:53. Sige na, order na kami. Bye. Naka-order na kami ng Mac Savers. Cheesy egg bisal, pati hash brown. And pina-upgrade namin yung drinks sa coffee. Dahil kailangan namin ng energy booster. Energy booster. Saan ba ito pwede ipatong?
Skip class in the parking lot, smoking with your friends. Girl, I know we don't talk a lot, but I'm wondering, can I get your number before you walk away?
We're currently ingressing the mga dala namin.
Friday night, we at a function on 5th. I'm looking for you like a satellite, so if you wanna dip, let's dip, baby. There's a spot that nobody knows. We could take a little trip.
Hi again, so this is us ingressing. As you can see, ina-assemble namin yung rack dito. Medyo mabagal mag-ingress kasi lahat ng gamit namin is kailangan i-arrange. Lalo yung mga damit isa-isa yung hanger. Kaya bear with us, sobrang bagal ng video na to. But habang nag-arrange kami, I'm gonna tell you some facts about this flea market. This was around July 13 to 14 pa, and August na ngayon. I know late ko na upload because I'm so busy. Marami pa akong flea markets na attendan, and I'm gonna upload all those sooner. But for now, ito muna. And this was arranged or organized by Made Vintage on Instagram. And this is their first ever flea market event na inorganize nila. I know very skeptical na sumali sa mga new organizers, pero I want to support the organizers kaya nag-join kami. And also, mura lang yung booth nila. It's around 3,000 for 2 days na. Bali, 1,500 per day. Ang naging problema lang namin is we're from Laguna pa, and medyo magastos sa gas and also sa accommodation dahil nag-hotel pa kami para sa second day. And ayun, medyo napagastos kami kahit mura lang yung booth. Pero ito kasi yung second time pa lang na mag-flea market. Kaya ayun, nag-risk pa din kami para naman more experience, and it's a fun experience naman. So after an hour, ito na yung booth namin. Hindi namin naisama lahat ng items na ilalagay namin kasi nga medyo masikip. May table kasi kami dalang din namin nailagay kasi maliit lang yung booth. Pero okay na yan as long as makabenta.
Palit na kami ng outfit for day 1 and mag-start ng event at 11 a.m. Pagod na kami and gutom na. So this is our outfit. Bye.
So as I promised kanina, papakita ko yung buong place, but I'm so sorry na kalimutan kong i-landscape. Ayan yung organizer Made Vintage Club, and this is located at Makati Seltsam Makati, and ayan, mga around 10 a.m. na nito, and nagpapasukan yung mga tao. Kumain na rin kami habang wala pa masyadong tao, and may mga food vendors din sila na in-invite, like this sushi, yung salad na binili namin, and ito yung booth namin. Ayan, maliit lang siya and very masikip, pero kasya naman yung mga around 3 to 4 na tao, I think. Ayan, dyan lang kami nakatayo because wala kaming chair. And ayan, marami-rami na rin tao. As you can see, may mga napasok naman talaga dito kasi maganda yung place. And kilala naman tong place na to sa Seltsam. And this is me, pack and order. Hindi ko na pinapakita yung mga buyers. Pero ayan. So, this is a life of a vintage seller. Honestly guys, akala ko talaga onti lang pupunta because the marketing is medyo konti yung effort, but I think okay naman yung event.
So, hi guys. Tapos na yung event and so sorry, hindi na kami nakapag-film because sobrang pagod. May kumakatok.
Thank you po.
Towel?
Yeah.
Nagdala pa tayo ng towel. So, yeah. Nag-check-in kami sa mismong hotel kung saan nagkinanap yung event. Ito sa Gervasia ba? Ito Gervasia. Gervasia Hotel for 10 hours lang kasi tomorrow yung event is maaga at around 8 or 9. Then, 8 ang out namin dito. So, yeah. We're going to sleep na and rest. And see you again tomorrow. Guys. Oh my God. Sobrang agad ko pa. Kakulisin lang namin. And nag-lista kami for later. Alis na kami sa hotel agad. Tapos na yung check-in namin. Mag-aayos na ulit kami ng event. Pero kakain muna kami.
So, this is day 2, July 14, Sunday. Ito na yung last day namin dito sa Makati. And ayan, nag-hotel kami as you can see. And guys, napakamahal mag-hotel. And ayan, nag-aantay lang kami mag-start yung event kasi aga namin nag-out 8 a.m. And ang start pa ng event is 11 and 9 kami aakyat yung mga seller. And ayan, as you can see, nandito na ako. Guys, I must tell you, I must prepare a Saturday event kasi pag Sunday, sobrang lukot. Sunday is such a slow day for us sellers kasi Saturday kahapon, ang daming tao kaya wala kaming time mag-video. Pero this nung Sunday na, unti lang yung tao. Pero as you can see, okay naman. Mga around 12 na nito, hindi katulad kahapon na 10 a.m. pa lang, full pack na. Ngayon, mga 12 na, wala pa rin masyadong tao. Kaya medyo nakakadismaya, but it's okay. And by the way, meron din mga tao sa labas. And ito yung food na kinain namin for day 2. And ayan yung ibang sellers. Maraming iba't ibang sellers, halos pare-parehas yung binibenta namin. Kaya ang daming options and also competitions. And also dahil sobrang boring nung Sunday, nilaro-laro ko na lang tong cat dito sa Salsam. Super cute niya. It's a Siamese cat. May name to nakalimutan ko. And bawal siyang pakainin kasi parang may sakit ata siya sa stomach or what, or allergy. Pero super cute niya. Nakakagigil. Sobrang sarap iuwi. So this is our last customer for today. And nung nag-around 7 p.m. na, nag-start na kami mag-pack because hanggang 8 p.m. lang yung binayad namin dito and dapat around 8 p.m. wala na kami. And as you can see, all the sellers are also packing. I think this is the wrap of this vlog. I think this experience, the sale is okay, but the experience is 1,000 over 100 because I met a lot of people. And also guys, I have a lot of new friends, and let's face it, it's the reality of business. It is risky and it is the risk that I'm willing to take. We're going home na.
Flea market success.
But we are happy sa results. At least hindi lugi.
New friends.